So another video for the channel. Today we'll be servicing the car for the summer. We'll change the oil filter, all of the filters, air, oil, everything. And of course we'll replace finally these tires and rims with the summer ones, which I already mentioned in the previous video are much wider, and I will show you the difference between these ones and the summer ones. So now I will put a cleaner in the engine as I'm changing the oil from 5W20 to 5W30, and I need to clean all of the residues from the oil, viscosity of the oil. The engine has to be warm. It should run for around 15 minutes at idle, not increasing the RPM. So we'll start first with that one, and after that we're gonna lift the car, drain the oil, change the filters, put the new oil inside, and we can go clean these winter tires, and we can put the summer tires. So the car has been running for around 2 or 3 minutes. For now everything is okay. We have to wait 10-15 minutes more, and we can drain the oil. The car is ready. Now I'm gonna lay down and drain the oil. I'll try to stick my camera somewhere against the drain plug, but I'm not sure if it will be visible enough. Almost. I'm not so dirty, but it's okay. Yeah. So now we're letting it to drain fully. After that, we can put the new drain plug, and we can start filling the fresh new oil. We can open the cap so it can drain easier. So, fresh new drain plug. I haven't changed it since the last 2 oil changes, and it was time to order a new one. It's time to put it and fill the engine with the new oil. It's time to change the oil filter, the air filter, and the cabin filter, so we're almost done. Actually, it's not that bad. Oh, I will spill. So the oil filter cost me around 20 euros or around 23 or $4. I'm not sure how exactly it's calculated, but it's not expensive. It's the original one for the car. Later I will tell you the cost of all filters, including the oil. Actually, servicing that car is not so expensive. I don't know why people think it's expensive just because it's an American car. It's cheap. It's much cheaper than the other European brands. So yeah, that's around $20, let's say. it's not that bad. Actually, it's very clean for city driving. It's okay. Yeah. Anyway. Yeah, you can see the difference. Even though that's already darkening, it's not that bad. For a city driving, it's not bad at all. That's okay, you're always okay. Last one, the cabin filter. It's a 2-minute job. You remove these clips, like that. Hop. I can't see anything. Okay. Hop. See? That's the point. You should put the new filter. You should always check the airflow, the arrows. Quite a difference, yeah. Again, we stick to the arrow. Should showing up. Hop. Hop. Yep, we're ready. Hop, hop. You should be careful when you put back these clips, as I already broke the plastic. I tried to put a glue, but it's not working. Just be careful, it's very weak in the medium. Yeah, so we're ready. We check the oil. I can clearly see that that's in the top. Yeah, the camera cannot focus. But anyway, when we start the engine, it will go through the filters and all the engine. So it will be exactly on the top. We're good. Actually, it sounds quite nicely. It's very quiet. It's good, then you know. So we're running the car to temperature. We'll check down for any leakages, but I'm sure it has to be good. And we can go clean it a little bit, clean the tires, and we can change the tires as well. So we're back, we cleaned the car, and now it's time to finally put the summer tires and to prepare the car for the summer. Yeah, you can see I have a wheel spacer, so I should remove them because the car will be too wide. Let me check if I have enough brake pads, but I think they're almost finished. I have to find a little bit of space so I can remove them. They haven't been removed for 4 months and they were very stuck in the wheel hub. But it's good. Let's put the new rim. Oops. So I'm gonna torque it to specification. I will not show you all the tires because it's a boring process, it's nothing special. I will show you directly after the car wash. So yeah, we go directly after the car wash. Guys, so we finished. The car is washed, the rims are washed. It's much better now. So let me show you.